So I hadn't had hiccups for a long time. And then I finally got them again. I just came back from a shoot. I was shooting with Tilly McReese. She's absolutely gorgeous. And we had a really good time. And then I had to drive home in crazy rain. Seriously, crazy rain. I think it stressed me out. I think I got hiccups because I was stressed. Is that a thing? Thinking about doing my hair darker. What do you guys think? It's so orange. I'm like looking at it as I'm filming this, and I'm thinking that is some seriously orange hair. I think I maybe wanted a little more purple. Definitely darker. So I hope I don't have hiccups for too long. I'm yawning because I'm tired from all this shooting. I had a shoot yesterday too. I had a shoot with a model named Rhiannon. Fit. She is definitely fit. She is muscular. It's like personal trainer fit. Hiccups are ridiculous. So anyway, how's your weekend going? Out there in YouTube land. I don't know why you guys like my hiccups. I'm the one guy who says that I'm his hiccups girlfriend. If I was your girlfriend only when you have hiccups, then I'm not going to be your girlfriend very often. That's kind of not fair.